Flip the robot upside down so the wheels are facing up. Using a screwdriver, loosen the screw and remove the edge sweeping brush. Loosen all 5 bottom cover screws and remove the bottom cover. Locate the 3 screws on the side the bumper appears dislodged from the robot. Loosen the screws. Lift on the bottom bumper plate and push in on the bumper. Doing so will lodge the bumper correctly back into the robot. Tighten the 3 screws. Reinstall the bottom cover and tighten the 5 screws. Reinstall the edge sweeping brush and tighten the screw. Flip the robot over and tap on the bumper to ensure it moves freely.